Hi, Amber here, and today I want to talk to you about how to take a free trade. We all know that keeping our emotions in check are one of the most important parts of trading. And if you could take a free trade, then you could just sit back, relax, not have any of that stress that you often have waiting to see if you're going to make a profit or take a loss. So today I want to show you how to take a free trade so you can relax and have a good time trading. So you should note, I'm going to show little trades, little scalping day trades, and this is so that we can see the demo in real time. But if you trade long term, if you do swing trading or even long-term trading, the same philosophy can hold true for you. You'll just have larger targets and stops than I am going to show on this demo. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get going. I'm going to start out by showing you the YM futures on a 600 tick chart, and I'm going to just buy two contracts with preset stops and targets. And as you can see, I have a target right here, and I'm going to pull it down a little bit because the market's not moving, and I'm concerned that it's not going to go in my direction. So right here, I don't have a free trade, right? If it goes down, I'm going to lose. But I am hoping that it's going to come up here to my first target. And then, so I can go ahead and be worried right now that it might go all the way down. We haven't got a free trade yet. So now you can see that it is in fact moving in my direction. And my target is 5 points up here, 5 ticks and points, same on the YM. So I've made 5 points with my first target. Now I'm going to bring up my stop, and I'm not going to put it right at 5 points down. I'm going to put it at 3 points down, so I will be sure, even if it goes down, I am sure to make 2 points on this whole trade if it goes right back down. And the market is slowly going in my direction. And if you're impatient, this is not so great. But you don't need to be impatient. You can just sit back and relax because you're at least going to make 2 points on this trade. If it doesn't go up, that's just fine. You're still going to make some money. So we have a free trade. Now, as the price goes in our direction, if we want to, we can, which I'm doing here, bring up the stop to 1 point in our direction above the entry price. That way we've made the 5 points on the first contract, and we have 1 point here to make up commission if the price goes on back down. So as you can see, the price went right back down, made my stop, and I got a little bit of money on my free trade. Now I want to show you an example on the ES. I've got 1.5 Ks bars here, and I'm going to buy the same thing, 2 contracts with a stop and preset targets. And I'm going to bring my first target down to 4 ticks, which is 1 point on the ES. Again, because the market is not moving so great, and I'd like to take my first profit as soon as I can so that I can have a free trade, because right now I'm still nervous, right, that the price might go down. So I'm still worried. Now you don't want to bring your target down too far because then your stop, when you bring it up to the same number of points as you put your target, your stop's going to be so close that you'll almost for sure stop out. So 4 ticks are about as small as you want to get if you are a day trader scalper. You don't want to get any closer than that. And we're now happy to see that the price is moving in our direction. And here we go, 1 more tick. There we go. Now we got filled. So we moved the stop to the same number of ticks below the entry as we had our first profit above the entry. Now if it goes down, we are paying commission only. So we have a free trade. We sit back, relaxed, and again, I didn't think the price was going to go up that fast for this demo, so I went ahead and brought my second target down to 8 ticks for the ES. This trade did take a while, so I cut the recording, and while it was cut, I actually moved the stop up to 1 tick above the entry. And as you can see, it went on up, and we did make money on this free trade. We're very happy. So let me show you one more, this time on the short side, and we're back to the YM on the 600 tick bar chart. And I'm going to do the same as I've done before. I'm going to sell 2 contracts with preset targets and stops. Everything is the same. It's just that we're going short now. And we don't have a free trade yet. It can always go against us and we can lose money. So we don't have our happy, relaxed state yet. And once again, because it's so slow, and I'm concerned about the time taking for this demo, I'm going to move this target up to 5 ticks below the entry price, just to see that we can make sure that we can get our first target and get a free trade. Phew, now we have a free trade. We move our stop to the same number of ticks above the entry price as we took our first profit below the entry price. Now we sit back and relax and wait to see if the price is going to come on down and make us any money. All we can lose now is our commission. So now that it's come in our direction quite a ways, I'm going to take my stop and move it down here to 1 tick below my entry so that this is a winning trade no matter what. I will make at least the 5 points that the first contract made. Now we're happy campers. Maybe we get up and go get a cup of coffee, because we know this is going to make money no matter what. We don't have to watch it like a hawk anymore. You know, get up, do a few exercises, have a good time. Here it comes. And once again, we go ahead and make a profit on our free trade. So there you have it. Now you know how to take a free trade. And if you like this video, please go ahead and give us a like, or make a comment down below and let me know what you think. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.